these are the world's most valuable tech companies and how their their market cap, their worth compares to the GDP of popular countries. So Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, exactly, and Facebook. The question is, do they have too much power? Here's how they compare financially to the richest countries in the world. So first of all, I just need to say, because this article doesn't do it, and so could be a misconception here. It's not that the company is more valuable than the country. He's comparing a net worth to a GDP, which is a yearly thing. So just keep that in mind. But either way, it's still interesting. So here we see how Apple at $2.2 trillion is ahead of Italy, Brazil. There's Canada at $1.8 trillion. Now it's a net worth. It's still impressive, by the way. You can see all the different countries where the yearly GDP is less than the net worth of Apple. Italy, Brazil, Canada, Russia, South Korea, Australia, Spain, Mexico, etc. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see a couple of other companies compared. Microsoft is at $1.8 trillion. But of course, the breakdown is exactly the same. You can see the countries with the GDP bigger than Microsoft: the United States, Brazil, China, India, Japan, UK. It's all color-coded.
Right.
Kind of infograph.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. But you don't really need all these graphs because you're just toggling it down to the value of each company, or the net worth of each company. I mean, in this case, it's Amazon, so now you lost Canada. Canada has a higher GDP than the net worth of Amazon. But there are just different ways you could display this. But of course, I like maps, so
yeah.
So that's fine. What do you think about this? Are these companies too big, Will?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well said.